Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up early every morning to start my day. Freshen up. To wash and get ready for the day. I freshen up quickly and then head to the kitchen. Put on. To wear clothes. After showering, I put on comfortable clothes for the day. Fix up. To prepare or arrange something. I fix up a quick breakfast to start my morning. Head out. To leave a place. I had out work around 8 a.m. Get on. To enter a vehicle. I get on the bus and listen to a podcast. Jot down. You write something quickly. I jot down my tasks for the day before I start working. Take a break. To pause work for rest. I take a break to grab coffee and relax for a bit. Wrap up. To finish something. I wrap up my task by the end of the workday. Pick up. To collect or buy something. I pick up groceries on my way home. Catch up with. To connect with someone to get updates. I catch up with my family during dinner. Workout. To exercise. I work out at the gym in the evening. Put away. To clean up or store something. I put away my clothes and tidy up my room. Turn on. To start something. I turn on the kettle to make a cup of coffee. Settle down. To get comfortable and relaxed. I settle down on the couch to watch some TV. Turn off. To switch off something. I turn off my room's light before bed. Sleep in. To sleep longer than usual. On weekends I sleep in to catch up on rest. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.